how long do I have to settle my personal injury claim after a car accident? In the state of Oregon, for adults, generally the statute of limitations is 2 years from the day of the collision. So if you're involved in a collision on December 3rd, 2019, your statute of limitations is going to be December 3rd, 2021. If the person who is injured is a minor under 18 years old, the statute of limitation is different, because the Oregon legislature decades ago recognized that unlike adults who we just tend to grow wide as we get older, kids their bones are growing, everything is growing about them, and how the injury affects a child can really change as they get older. So the statute of limitations for a minor, generally speaking, is 7 years from the date of their injury or their 19th birthday. So if your child was 7 years old when the collision happened, their statute of limitations will go until they're 14. If they were 15 years old when the collision happened, their statute of limitations is going to be their 19th birthday. And if they were 17 years old when the collision happened, their statute of limitations is still going to be 2 years. Now, there's a couple other important things to keep in mind. That if you are injured through someone who was on the job for the city, the county, the state, or federal government, there is a 180-day notice requirement, which if you don't meet this written requirement, you will more than likely lose your personal injury claim. And those rules state that within 180 days of having been injured, you have to notify the entity that the person was working for that you were injured, where the injury happened, what your injuries are, and that you're going to be pursuing a claim. And it's really important to talk to an attorney about these issues, because you don't want to be 18 months into your personal injury claim to have realized you were injured by someone on the job, working for a government entity, and you've lost your claim. So talk to an attorney, make sure you know your statute of limitations.